What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll just be showing you how I style my 613 wig. This is a closure wig. I have not cut the lace off yet. I made this wig on the sewing machine and yeah, I finished it last night. This is how it looks so far. It's 3 bundles and a closure. The closure is 16 inches and the bundles are 16, 18, and 20. So yeah, this is my very first time wearing 613 hair. So yes, I'm a newbie at this with this color. But yeah, just gonna cut the lace and style it and just maybe do some minor plucking. But yeah, just keep on watching. So first I'm gonna begin by cutting the lace off. I'm either gonna try to do this in the camera or in the mirror if it doesn't go well in the camera. Maybe you guys could watch me or something. Let me see. I'm gonna do it in the mirror. I decided to wear this wig for a little bit like this before I color it, because I'm going to color it in ash blonde color. And I'll do a video on that also. So now that I cut the lace off, just gonna part it and make the part more defined. My handy dandy hot comb. So I don't really want to glue it, but I'm trying to think of a different alternative. Maybe I'll use gel. Got to be, of course. Oh, how could I even not dress it? So I want to introduce to you guys my new lashes. First of all, let me fix this because I look crazy. Hold up. It's almost dry. But what I was saying was, these are my new lashes that I just I'm putting on my website. They'll be on my website very soon. These are my Japan lashes. These are 5D mink lashes, and they will be on sale for Black Friday, so make sure you guys check that out. Everything on my website for Black Friday will be 50% off. That's a sale that you don't want to miss. It's a site-wide sale, so make sure y'all check that out. I smell this hot comb. It's almost ready for me. But yeah, this is the lashes. I feel like it's sticking pretty good. Just try to hold it down. So I'm just gonna repart it so that it's more in the middle. Some hair mousse. This is body wave hair, so I'm just gonna leave the rest of the hair as is because it's already like a cute wave to it. Then I'm going to grab my makeup, my MAC Studio Fix, and put some makeup in the middle of my part. Sorry y'all, it's so hard to try to do it in the camera versus doing it in the mirror. Just gonna take some baby hair, cut it just a little bit. Get my foam and a toothbrush or baby hair brush. I look crazy. And yeah, get it on. Use a comb side. I'm gonna do it to the other side. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks better to the right. And then I kind of like how this part looks. Doesn't really need too much of the hot comb, but I'm gonna just do a little. Does that look better now? That's pretty much it. I'm like good to go. I'm set. Yes, I love this. Okay, I'm done. I did it. That was so quick and easy. That's like. So that pretty much concludes this video. I'm done. That was like a 5-minute job. I was just doing a little bit of moving around, but it didn't take that long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and was able to learn something from it, or just watch it for fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time that I post new videos. And also check the description box. There's always goodies there. And yeah, the info for where you can purchase this hair and lashes are down below as well. And my Instagram and all that good stuff. So check it out.